expand 2 minus alpha, then we have 10 plus beta. Solution. We have 2 minus alpha into bracket 10 plus beta. Now, the first binomial expression is 2 minus alpha. So we use the first term in the first binomial expression, which is 2, to multiply the whole of second binomial expression, which is 10 plus beta. Now, the second term in the first binomial expression is minus alpha. Then we use the second term in the first binomial expression, which is minus alpha, to multiply 10 plus beta. Now, expanding the brackets. 2 times 10 here, what do we have? We have 20. Then we use that same 2 to multiply plus beta. That is 2 beta. Now we go to the second part. We have minus alpha as the multiplier. So this minus alpha will be used to multiply the first term here, which is 10. Minus alpha times 10 will give us minus 10 alpha. Now we use that same minus alpha to multiply plus beta. Minus times plus will give us minus. Hence, alpha times beta, we have what? Alpha beta. So it means that the fourth term is minus alpha beta. Now we have 4 terms here. And these 4 terms are unlike terms. Hence, the answer to this problem is 20 plus 2 beta minus 10 alpha minus alpha beta. Thank you.